A chemical reaction proceeds when an attacking reagent attacks on it. Such attacking reagents in organic chemistry are of two types. One is electrophilic reagent and other is nucleophilic reagent. Therefore, I am going to talk some concept about the electrophiles or the electrophilic reagent. Electrophiles, the attacking reagent. The electrophiles has been expressed in number of ways, such as an electrophile is expressed in several ways as a electrophiles or the electron loving attacking reagent. The phile is a Greek word which means loving. So, electrophiles are the electron loving attacking reagents. The philes is a Greek word which means loving. Therefore, electrophiles are called electron loving. B. It is also called electron deficient atom. Electron deficient atoms or molecules so called the electron loving, It is electron deficient, so it is electron loving. If not electron deficient, then no question arises for the electron loving. See, electrophiles are electron pair acceptors. It accepts the electron pair, not the single electron, not the 3 electron, but it accepts the pair of electron. Remember it accepts only the pi electrons or a lone pair or unshared electron pair. it accepts only the pi electrons or unshared electrons, but not the sigma electron, electrons. It is the important and remarkable point. Electrophiles or electron pair acceptors, remember, it accepts only the pi electrons or unshared electron pair, but not the sigma electrons. D, it is your electrophiles or the Lewis acids. Why Lewis acids? Because Lewis acid or the electron pair acceptors. Electrophiles are also the electron pair acceptors. Therefore, electrophiles are the Lewis acids. Types. Two types are number 1, positively charged electrophiles, abbreviated by E plus. E stands for electrophile and E for the positive charge. So, positively charged electrophiles. Such electrophiles carry positive charge on an atom or on a molecule. So named positively charged electrophiles. Positively charged electrophiles may be atoms or molecule, but in every case there should be positive charge either on the atom or atom of a molecule. For example, the first member starts from proton. This is proton, atomic electrophile, chloronium ion. Br plus, bromonium ion. I plus, iodinium ion. H3O plus, this is hydronium ion. NO2 plus, nitronium ion. NO plus, nitrosonium ion. The carbocations, is or plus, that is or CH2 plus or CH, this one or Cr plus, all category of carbonium ion or the electrophiles. This is 1 degree, again 1 degree carbocation, 2 degree and 3 degree carbocation, 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree carbocation. Second one is neutral nucleophiles. Neutral, one more, sorry, or CO, this is acylium cation, acylium ion. Carbon carries the positive charge. Second category of electrophiles is neutral electrophiles. Such electrophiles carry one atom electron deficient, one atom electron deficient, where it can accept an electron pair, but carries no positive charge. So neutral electrophiles are those electrophiles in which one atom carries electron deficiency, where it can accept an electron pair, but it carries no positive charge. For example, several categories of neutral electrophiles are. For example, several types of neutral electrophiles are. पहला number 1, the neutral molecules in which central atom is bonded to two or more electronegative atoms, by virtue of which electron deficiency creates on the central atom. The neutral molecules in which central atom is bonded to two or more electronegative atoms by virtue of which electron deficiency creates on the central atom. See with examples. This carbon tetrachloride, this is central atom, carbon is the central atom, it is bonded to 4 chlorine atom, the electronegativity of chlorine is higher, so it withdraws electron here, this withdraws here, like that. What will happen? Due to polarity of the covalent bond, there creates a deficiency on the carbon, and therefore this carbon accepts the electron pair and molecule as a whole neutral. But you should remember, dipole moment of this molecule is 0. So don't compare the neutral electrophile with the dipole moment of the molecule, because dipole moment of this molecule is 0. See other example. If it is silicon, like that, silicon tetrachloride, carbon in silica, silicon belongs to same group of the periodic table. See tin, SnCl4, octet is complete, but it can accept an electron pair because it produces a molecule like this, SnCl6 minus 2. It happens only when the tin accepts 2 chlorine atom from the outside. So this is neutral electrophiles. In all these cases, some other examples. See, this is sulfuryl chloride or thionyl chloride. Sulfur is electron deficient. Because it is pi bond, it goes over here, this attracts the electron towards itself, so electron deficiency is created on the sulfur, and this sulfur atom behaves as a neutral electrophile. Similarly, we can take the example of carbon dioxide. This molecule also behaves as a neutral electrophile. This is the you have seen so many structures of carbon in which carbon is positively charged, so it is also a neutral electrophiles. All these compounds have completed octet. Octet is complete. All these compounds have completed octet. Second type of the neutral nucleophile is molecules in which central atom has incomplete octet. Therefore has capacity, it therefore accepts an electron pair, to complete its octet. For example, BF2, this molecule has only 4 electrons, 4 electrons, octet is incomplete. Boron trifluoride, F 3 covalent bond, so each one has 2 electrons, so it is the 6 electrons, octet is incomplete. Similar example of ferric chloride, incomplete octet. Here is sextet, 6 pi electron, 6 electrons are present. So this has got incompleted octet, it has only 4 electrons, so 4 electron is less. This has got 6 electrons, so 2 electrons are less. This has got central atom iron has got 6 electrons, so again it has 2 electrons less to complete the octet. Because of the incomplete octet, they accept the electron pair and behaves as a neutral electrophile. Because of this, they accept the electron pair and behaves as a neutral electrophiles. Third category of neutral electrophiles are molecules in which central atom has expanded octet, that is more than 8 electrons, that is more than 8 electrons, so called expanded octet. Behave as neutral electrophiles because they accept electron pair, an electron pair in their vacant d orbitals. For example, molecules in which central atom has expanded octet, that is more than 8 electrons, behave as neutral electrophiles because they accept an electron pair in their vacant d orbitals. For example, the phosphorus pentachloride, Cl and Cl, PCl5. Hybridization of phosphorus is sp3d. It has got 10 electron around the around the phosphorus, 10 electron around P. Now see the sulfur hexafluoride, its sulfur hybridization of sulfur is sp3d2, 12 electrons around sulfur. Now see the sulfur hexafluoride, this is phosphorus pentachloride. The other example is iodine heptafluoride, F, F, F and F. IF7. IF7. Here is F, yes, F6. So how many electrons around this? 14 electrons around I. Name of this molecule is iodine heptafluorides. Its hybridization of this molecule is sp3d3. You remember that when an electrophilic atom accepts an electron pair, there should be vacant space in that atom so that they may accommodate the electron pair. In this case, 3d orbitals are utilized in hybridization. Still 2 vacant orbitals are present. In this case, hybridization is sp3d2, only 2d is involved, so remaining d orbitals is vacant. In this case, it is sp3d. 1d is involved in hybridization, so remaining d is vacant. So such molecules accommodate the electron pair in their d orbitals. It is important to remember. Note: such molecules accommodate an electron pair in their vacant d orbitals. The fourth category is interhalogen compounds. Interhalogen compounds like iodine monochloride, ICl behaves as electrophile in iodination reaction in presence of Lewis acid catalyst, that is ferric chloride. For example, ferric chloride. This is iodine monochloride plus ferric chloride. Chlorine has more electronegativity, so this is negative and this is positive. This negative goes to FeCl3. Iodine becomes free and it becomes FeCl4 minus. FeCl4 minus. This is electrophile. Some reaction intermediates. Fifth, some reaction intermediates also behave as neutral electrophiles, such as alkyl radical, in general methyl radical, Say this is carbene, carbene, this is dichlorocarbene, dichlorocarbene. All are electron deficient, all are electron deficient, all are electron deficient, electron deficient, so act as electrophile. All are electron deficient, so act as neutral electrophile. Next one is halogens. Halogens, say Cl2, Br2, I2, or behave as electrophile. During addition reaction, of alkenes. You already know that bromine adds on ethylene, so this is ethene. This acts as nucleophile. Bromine adds to in presence of suitable solvent, so it gives you dibromo compound, and it is possible only when it acts as electrophile. The mechanism proceeds through halonium transition state. So this is about the type of neutral electrophiles. Now the next part is, which is very important part, is the electrophilicity. What is electrophilicity? You know that electrophiles accept the electron pair, or electrophiles gain the electron pair. So how fast it gains the electrophile determines its electrophilicity. How fast an electrophile accepts the electron is called as electrophilicity. Tendency of an electrophile to accept an electron pair, is called the electrophilicity of that electrophile. Tendency of an electrophile to accept an electron pair is called the electrophilicity of that electrophile. 2 points are important. More is the tendency, more is the electrophilicity. More is tendency, more is electrophilicity. Second point, less is tendency, less is electrophilicity. So, two things are very important to remember. More is tendency. What do you mean by tendency? Tendency of an electrophile to accept the electron pair. This is tendency. More is tendency, more is electrophilicity. less is tendency, less is electrophilicity. So the electrophilicity depends on several factors. For better electrophilicity, or you can say that electrophilicity is more when electrophilic atom is smaller in size. First point, electrophilicity is more when, well, number one, electrophilic atom is smaller in size. Electrophilic atom means that atom which accepts the electron pair. Secondly, its electronegativity should be high. Its electronegativity should be high. Its electronegativity should be high. Third point, less steric effect. Less steric effect favor over more steric effect. Fourth point, positive I effect, positive inductive effect decreases electrophilicity. Fifth, minus I effect increases electrophilicity. Now some examples showing electrophilicity are examples. The decreasing order of electrophilicity, decreasing order of electrophilicity among the halide ion is Cl plus. It is more electrophilic than bromonium ion, and again it is more than iodonium ion. Small size, more electronegative. This is large size, less electronegative. The factors already mentioned. Smaller the size, more electronegative, more is the electrophilicity. Larger the size, less electronegativity is less electrophilicity. The examples: see with this, suppose this is this atom which is the electron acceptor. It is covered by 3. Now say this point is electron, site of electron acceptor, atom. So this is sterically hindered. This cation is sterically hindered. Sterically hindered. No steric hindrance. No steric hindrance. More electrophilicity. More electrophilicity. Here is less electrophilicity. Electrophilicity. This is less electrophilic. This is more electrophilic. Because of steric hindrance, the approach of the anion is not possible. So in this case again you can make the now see on the basis of with other examples. This is cation, now this cation, now this cation, and lastly this cation. The order of electrophilicity. Decreasing order of electrophilicity is less plus I effect, less plus I, maximum plus I, this is maximum plus I, maximum hindered, maximum steric hindrance, no steric hindrance, no steric hindrance. So its electrophilicity is maximum and this is minimum. Electrophilicity maximum. Here is electrophilicity minimum. Philicity minimum. Suppose you are given other example, you can write like this. This is CS3, this is CS2 plus, and you have got this electrophile. This has got minus I effect, this has got plus I effect. So plus I effect decreases the nucleophilicity. So low electrophilicity, more electrophilicity, and the last example is more is the oxidation state, more is the oxidation state, of electrophilic atom more is the electrophilicity. For example, this is or, yes, bonded to Cl, or bond same, or yes, this is given compound of sulfur halide. Here oxidation state, this is second oxidation state, this is fourth oxidation state, fourth oxidation state, this is sixth oxidation, sulfur in sixth oxidation state. So this is electrophilicity maximum because the oxidation state is 6, more electron deficient. This is least electron deficient. So this is electrophilicity minimum, and it is between the moderate electrophilicity. Thank you.